In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make your WooCommerce products found in AI search results. We'll keep this simple and practical so you can follow along and get results right away. Start by opening your WordPress website and signing into your dashboard. From the left-hand menu, go to Plugins. In the Plugins area, use the search bar to look for a tool called NSAO. When you find it, select it, then click Install and Activate. This adds an SEO scorecard right inside your product editor so you can see exactly what to improve without leaving the page. Next, head to Products in your dashboard and choose any product you want to optimize. Click Edit to open the product editor. Scroll until you see the Key and SEO panel or scorecard. Your goal here is to turn those markers into checks. If anything shows an X, it means the item needs attention. Think of the scorecard as a checklist that helps make your product easier for both search engines and AI assistants to understand. Start with the product title. Keep it between 40 and 70 characters. That usually means a clear, concise line that includes your main keyword and a defining detail, like the model or feature. Avoid stuffing keywords. Write something a human would actually want to click. Then refine your short description. Aim for 50 to 150 words. Use plain language, highlight the core benefit, and mention a couple of key features naturally. Focus on what the product is, who it's for, and the specific problem it solves. This length helps AI systems extract the most important information without getting lost in fluff. Keep sentences straightforward and scannable. As you work through the scorecard, follow every prompt it gives you. If it flags readability, simplify your phrasing. If it mentions missing key terms, add them naturally where they make sense. If it points out formatting issues, clean them up so the content is clear and consistent. The idea is to make the page unambiguous and helpful, which is exactly what AI search tools prefer. When everything looks good and the X's have turned into checks, click. Update to save your changes. Give it a moment, then review the page to make sure everything displays correctly on the front end. That's it. Install and activate and SEO, edit a product, meet the scorecard standards, especially the title and short description, and then update. Repeat this approach across your catalog to strengthen your overall visibility in AI-driven search results.